My name is Will Moore, and Will F. Moore, and I am in casting and locations on this production. I am loving this filming experience. To work with the youth is always invigorating and it's vibrant, and to work with Stephanie and Art of Me and everyone else who is involved, an array of people who are the top in their profession, to come together and rally around these students is great.
Hi, I'm Alani, and I'm Takia in the film Sakai's Dance. I love the program. I think that it's a great way to start your filmmaking or acting, period, and just to see how it is in the real world.
My name is Javion Allen, and I am the support character, Zach. I would say some of the things I've learned on this set is how a lot of acting and industry can be misconstrued sometimes. Definitely emphasizes like discipline is the thing that'll get you really far in this thing.
Hi, I'm Tessa Nail and I'm playing Candy. And this is just a really beautiful way to showcase like different talents, writers, crew, cast. Like I feel like it's just giving opportunities to people that normally wouldn't have them. So it's really cool.
My name is Decente, and my affiliation with the production is GRIP and PA. Just working alongside the GRIP team, just learning every day and setting up the lights, breaking them down, getting the lights right, getting the diffusion, just the whole process.
Hi, my name is Tatiana, and I am playing the role of Angelina. Art of Me, the program, well, itself, amazing. I love that they teach kids about the media and filmmaking and writing and you know, just exploring themselves creatively. I think that's amazing.
Hi, my name is Anthony Jameson, and I am the choreographer Damon for Prism Dance Company in the movie.
Hi, I'm Lillian Piles, casting director and associate producer.
This is my first time being able to do a dance movie, so being able to be with other dancers and kind of vibe and catch the energy of the other dancers has been one of like my most favorite things about this set by far.
I think this is an exceptional opportunity for young people, and like I say, now we're dipping into the seniors who are writing things about themselves when they were younger. But I think this is an excellent opportunity for all those who are taking part in this. They're writing what's on their minds, they're giving a subject matter, and they're expounding on it. I think it's great.
Hello, my name is DeVito Parker Jr., and I play the role as Jackson. Art of Me is a great program. I would recommend it to anybody to be a part of this program. They provide great opportunities like this, to be in movies like this and stuff like that. So I say, go for it.
Hi, I'm Anaya Paulino, and I'm the writer. I can't wait for everyone to see it, everyone who's been asking me about it, and most of all, just how I'm going to feel once it's over.
I'm looking forward to seeing you on Showtime.
Love Art of Me. Hey, Steph. Hey, girl.